How to make 30 short videos in 24 hours 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make 30 short videos in 24 hours 2023. So if you want to learn what's done, so just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is just click the three dots right here, click on show transcript, and then copy all of this transcript right here until the very bottom. Then after you copy that, just head over to ChatGPT right here and type in the copy that you have copied earlier, and then ask for the 5 key points in this interview. So as you can see, I have asked for 5 key points of Elon Musk's interview with Will Mayer, and then I pasted the copy or transcript. So after that, ChatGPT has provided me this right here. So what you need to do is just get some key points right here. So for example, he mentioned Twitter. So what you need to do is to head over to YouTube, actually to the YouTube transcript, and then type in the URL of your video. And then as you can see right here, it has actually get this transcript. So what you do is just click on Control F and then type in the Twitter. As you can see, it has mentioned or highlighted the Twitter right there. So if you want to use this Twitter right here, then just click on that, and then it will automatically show the timestamp that is happening. So if you click on that, it's in 4:52 right there. So what we need to do is, now that we have the time, then we can head over to vid right here, and then just select the 4:22 right here. So let's look for the 4:22 timestamp, or 4:53 rather, right there. And then click on split right here, and as you can see, it has been splitted. So just click on this initial clip and remove that, and then drag it right here into the 0 mark, and then make sure to click on 30 right here in order to have 30-minute video, and then click on split again, and then remove the other videos. Then after that, you can expand it. So let's try to expand it right here. As you can see, it has been expanded. What we need to do next is to just click on that specific media, and then from in there you can click on this clean audio right here, or also you can also remove the background, and also in here is to remove silences. So in here you can cut out dead air and awkward poses, because as you know, YouTube Shorts heavily relies on being fast-paced. Then after that, click on this remove silences right here if you want. So let's click on that. And as you can see, it has now clicked on that, and as you can see, it has removed some silences. So what we need to do next is just click on subtitles right here, and then click on auto transcribe. Then as you can see, click on English, click on create subtitles, and this will generate subtitles for us. So just wait for it to load right here. So as you can see right now, it has generated subtitles for us. So if you play for it, so let's try to play it right here. As you can see, there are subtitles in the text. So you can also click on that and edit it if you think the subtitles is wrong and all of that. So after you have done that, then you can successfully export it to your actual video. So just export this right here, and then you can now upload it to your YouTube as a YouTube Shorts. So just repeat this process 30 times in order to create 30 YouTube Shorts, and make sure to get the highlights. That is very important. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create 30 YouTube Shorts in 24 hours. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!